Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add categories and labels to your Google Calendar events. This is a great way to organize your schedule and easily spot different types of activities. Let's get started. Here is an example calendar. This is the full calendar, and we want to organize it by event type. To add categories, let's say this event is a birthday. We can assign a color to all birthday events. To make all your birthdays yellow, all you need to do is click the event and select Edit Event. From there, just change the color by selecting Event Color. You can pick any color you like. We use yellow for birthdays so they are easy to find. For meetings, we use pink, and for tasks, we use blue. If you want to set a custom color, just click, then Edit, and choose the color that works best for you. That's how we add categories and labels to Google Calendar events. With these simple steps, your calendar will be much easier to read and manage.